Hi everyone, and welcome to another of my calendar unboxing. I still have the same makeup and still have the same dress and still look like a mess and still sitting not up straight and really weird, but we're here to open the calendar from Meds. Now the Meds is a website where I purchase a lot of products, some medication, also some beauty products, and yeah, some snacks. They have everything. Really enjoy this website, really enjoy good offers too. And I heard a rumor that this is probably one of the best calendars. And when I heard that rumor, you know where my mind went. Well, if it's that rumor, we're going to see if it's that good. So I'm excited. I hope you're excited, and let's see what's hiding in here. Okay, still filming with my phone. I hope the sound is well. I hope the light is well. I hope you don't mind that I look like I just was thrown out from the hell. But my dress is nice. I like my dress. So let's open it. I love this pink packaging. Also, need to open it. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited to hear if the rumors are true. Are you ready? Everything just ran out. Okay, I wasn't expecting this. Let's put everything down. Oh my god, everything is these beautiful bags. I like that. I'm definitely keeping the bags. Oh my god, that's nice. Okay, let's look at the number one. Something smells really good in here, really strong though. Number one. Oh, I love this. Keeping the bags, and they are good quality though, really nice. Oh yes, oh nice. Embryollis, I can't pronounce this. Moisturizer makeup primer. This is very popular product. Now I just purchased it because I saw it everywhere and I wanted to buy it, so I just purchased this size too. I have it over there. So excited to get another one. Just tried it once, so I don't have any thoughts about it yet, but I heard good stuff. People, makeup artists are using it as a base for the makeup or to remove the makeup. It's good for all skin types. Really popular products. I'm very happy that it's in here. Really good size. And I think actually I purchased it from Meds. I'm not really sure. Number two. Where is number two? Something is smelling really strong. I hope not a perfume didn't broke or something, because it's getting stronger. Number two. I love the bags. It's heavy. It's heavy. Ooh, yes. This is micellar water makeup removing. Really nice size. Did I try this one? I don't remember trying this brand, but this is from Bioderma. And it's a nice 100 milliliters. Good size. Good to try it out. Really good for the sensitive skin. And yeah, like that. I like both of these products so far. Really kind of excited about this cream because I have really high hopes and hoping that it's going to be a good product for me. But I'm glad. I wanted to actually purchase the biggest size, but I'm glad I didn't, because now I have two. We have two products in here. Oh my god, this is good. We got two products in here. Number three, it's the Edawari, or yeah, Edawari everyday shampoo and conditioner in one, and this is good size also. It's 100 milliliters. Let me have this, feel the scent. I haven't tried this brand. Oh, it smells fresh and really nice. And I'm glad that we get both the conditioner and the shampoo to try out. Two products in one. I wasn't expecting that. Number four. Ooh, this is from by Barb. This is like a scalp massager, or helping you with the scalp when you wash your hair. Really good product. I have one. Definitely giving this one away. maybe to my husband, we'll see. Number 4, number 5. Number 5. Oh my god, I love the bags. Number 5, what is this? Daily Microfoling, Calming Oil-Based Powder Exfoliating, Dermalogica. Oh, I wanted to try this. This looks interesting. This looks interesting. Definitely try this product. And it looks to be a good size too. Calming Vegan Exfoliating Powder, Polish skin while supporting the skin moisture barrier. Now I have this exfoliating product from Huda Beauty that I really enjoy, but I'm almost out of that. And I do have other facial scrubs, but nothing that really I want to try out. But I'm happy that I have this one. It looks to be a good size too. Okay, nice. So far so good. Really enjoying the calendar. But the scent here, it's citrusy and flowery, smells really strong. Ooh, La Roche, oh, I won't even try to pronounce this brand. This is the Daily Repair Eye Moisturizer. Anti-irritating, anti-redness and anti-itching. Really also good product that I heard. I haven't tried it out. I haven't tried out a lot of products from this brand. I know the pharmacies are selling this brand and it's very popular. Many people like it, but I don't know why I never tried anything from this brand. No idea, but it's full size. 20 milliliters, full size. Ooh, I like that. 6, 7. Something small. What is it? Number 7. Oh, Verso Hydrating Serum, number 4. Also something we get in many calendars. Now I think I have like 4 or 5 of these. Still haven't tried them out. I don't know why, because I have so many serums and this is kind of weird packaging for me. But I need to check it out. I really need to check out that product. It looks to be like a very popular product. Number 8. 2 products in here. It's a little bit see-through, but I can't really see what's in here. Ooh, lashes and mini tweezers. We get lashes from Depend. Ooh, they are looking really nice. Beautiful lashes and tweezers. Oh, these are cute tweezers from Tweezerman. That's nice. Like that. 2 products in one. 2 products. Okay. That's a lot. Usually we get 1 product in 1 bag, but now we have 2 bags with 2 products in. 9. Is it 9? Yes, it is. And we got the L'Occitane hand cream. Really good brand. Tried this one and really enjoyed this brand and this hand cream. Beautiful product. Happy to have it. I love having hand creams, using hand creams every day. I can't go to bed without hand cream. Now we have the next. This is multi-purpose dry oil from Face, Body and Hair. I have to be honest, I have 2 of these already. Never tried it out. Never. I don't know why, but I never tried it out. It's so popular. People are loving it. But I've never tried it out. Maybe I should. Maybe I should try that one. Maybe. That was number 10. Number 11. Ooh, something thin. Cloud Glow. Oh, this one is beautiful. I already have like 2 of these. This is a nice one. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Beautiful packaging though. 12. Liking this calendar so far. Oh, Maria Åkerberg. This is hair therapy for all hair types. It's lavender and lemongrass. Is it this one that smells? But it smells, it's sealed, but it still has strong scent. Hair therapy is nurturing and moisturizing hair mask for all hair types. Contains coconut oil, jojoba oil, and essential oils of lavender, tea tree, and lemongrass. Apply to damp hair, leave-in for 20 minutes. Preferable, wrapped in a towel, rinse well. Maria Åkerberg is a Swedish brand. Love her products. Used a couple of her products and really enjoyed. Haven't tried that mask though. 13. Oh, we have another Bum Bum cream. Of course, we have a small size. I just opened another calendar that I got this one in. Also nice. I love that. Have full size. 14. James Read Gradual Tan Mist. Also something I have a couple of, but this one. Still haven't tried it out. Need to be a little bit better with trying the product that I get. This is 15. I'm already, oh. Dry shampoo from Colay, Sweden. Can't feel the scent. I haven't heard or tried this brand. So this is exciting to try out. Styling Dust dry shampoo. Love having dry shampoos. Got a couple of them in other calendars, so I'm kind of excited to try out. 16. We have a paper. Dermacetic Turnover Night Cream. Turnover is rejuvenated night cream. For loss of skin tone, wrinkles, and fine lines, all skin types. Okay, we have an information sheet of how to use it, and 50 milliliters for a night. Haven't tried out or heard about this product, so definitely going to read and check it out more. Like that. 16. Really good calendar so far. 17. We didn't get any makeup, but a lot of good products. 17 is AHA Glycol Peeling Gel from Jorgo. Can't pronounce this. I don't know. It's a really nice size though. Really nice size, full size. I need to read more. Peeling gel. Sounds and looks to be a nice product, but I have no idea. Need to try it out. And this brand, haven't tried anything from it, so nice. Love getting the brands that I haven't heard of or tried anything from. Okay, we got 18. We got a couple of, oh, finally. Oh my god, this is the Peter Thomas Roth. Love Peter Thomas Roth. And we get sample size from all of his, or most of his face masks. Haven't tried them. Always wanted to buy them, but never did because I always get a lot of face masks. But we have all of them now. Pumpkin, we have cucumber, we have the 24 gold, and we have Irish mud Perfine black mask, and also the blue marine algae. All of the masks. So excited to try them out. And 5 products in one bag. That's really nice. And it's a nice size though. 40 milliliters in each. Oh, love that. That made me happy. Really happy. Really happy. 19. Can't get over how good these are. Pixi Glow Tonic. Always get in most of the calendars. Also nice product. Don't use it anymore because I have so many tonics. But my sister really loved these. She really enjoys them. 20. What's this? Ooh, Revolution Blush in peach. This is a nice color. Heard that this is a good blush formula. Blends well, lasts long. I haven't tried it out. Love the color though. That's nice. haven't used Revolution in a very long time. Before I really liked them, but I have so much makeup right now, I don't reach for so much Revolution. This is Vaseline, matte white Vaseline from Metz, their brand. It's good to apply for like moisturizing product. Always good to have. I have another one, not this brand from Metz, but I have another one that I have, and I use it on my lips, use it on my dry patches on my body, and it's really good when it's winter outside and really cold, so that's nice. 22. This one is heavy. Okay, what is this? Conditioner spray for color and UV. That's from a Swedish brand, Hjärtligt. That's nice. That's nice. We have a conditioner spray. Don't know, need to read it. It's a full-size product. Have no idea what it is. Need to go on the website and see. We have 23, but many nice products in here. 23, it's Elixir. What do you want to try? This is advanced skin therapy. What is this? Niastil gel that fights most signs of aging as well as redness and spots, fine wrinkles, erased unevenness, and redness reduce. Okay, so it's like a face cream. I've never heard about this brand. That's really interesting. And it's a really nice size, 30 milliliters, really nice size. 24. It's for the pillowcase, and it's a beautiful gold color. Look at it. Oh my god, I love it. Satin. It's so beautiful. Love gold color. Oh my god, look at it. Beautiful. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Love it. That's nice. I really like that. And it's from this brand. Oh my god, love the color. Yay! That's nice. That made me happy. And the last one, 25. 25, the last product here. We have two products in here. It's Time Filler Mask and Oxygen Peel. Okay, that's okay. This is interesting. I need to read more about these products, if you use them together and how to use them, but so far so good. Didn't really expect this in 25, but many good products. I do agree that this is a really good calendar. I will put the information down below where you can purchase it. I'm not really sure if you can purchase it outside of Sweden, but I will put the link down below so you can check it out. Many good stuff, many good products. A lot of brands that I haven't tried out. I'm very happy that we have so many products in one bag, and really nice calendar, really nice calendar. Guys, let me know down below what you think about it. Have you tried any of these products? Let me know down below. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.